Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor ba menta kasngi. Hadian ka jingya ken atbot hapdeng ka Assam at Meghalaya ka kinhun menteri kalum ya ka jingya mir jingmut ban shimrai ban bu no ki police outpost habaro ki khaput ka jilla. Ya ka tela shimrai bat pin sngod menteri rangba ka jilla ukon rat ke sangma. Menteri rangba uyathu baro ki jaka ki bajur ka jingya ken atbot hakhaput ka jilla bat ka Assam on pynieng de ki border outpost BOP jong ki pulin. Katay karay ka baki menteri ki shim ha ka jingyalang hadin balami ka jingja hasnong mukro ha ka bahadu undrungut ki briu ki layam na ka jing ther kuli ki pulit Assam ha ka arfu artrek unai wing. Ka kinhun menteri kan sarai khaddu ya ka thup kerteng jong ki jaka ki badan kamban pynieng ya ki BOP. Ka Sorkar kala pentip ya kani karai syakinong yalam na ki sengsan perthai bapher ba ka Sorkar kala shimrai ban pynieng ya ki BOP ha kini ki jaka bajur ka jingken ad yathu menteri rangba hadin ka jingyalang kinhun ki border outpost police ki ban pynieng bala penmena hamukro West Giant Hill district ka wei hatiwai East Giant Hills district.
Gone into details of that. We can examine that if necessary, and we can talk about and discuss it. Right now, as I said, we felt that we needed to immediately ensure that the presence of our forces and our police forces to give a sense of security and safety to our people was absolutely necessary, and hence we have immediately gone for this step. Other measures we can definitely examine.
Sir, can you come again with the names of BOPs in West Giant Hills? Okay,
let me repeat again. The border outpost, East Giant Hills, will be in Moria, BOP. In West Giant Hills, there will be two, one in Mukro and one in Tiwai, TIHWIEH. In Riboy, right now, as of now, it will be in, one has been approved for Rani Jirang. In West Khasi Hills, formal sanction and approval has been given for 3 BOPs, Umwali, Lejadubi and Lampi.
Can you tell us there is a demand